so you are on the second day of this book. You've already reviewed the book summary, you've done your scanning, you've read 1/4 of the book yesterday, and I asked you to make a mind map as you read and underline 2 words per page. I hope you did that. Let me know on the Facebook page or in your comments, how did it feel, what was the change in your reading. Fine. For some of you this may feel a little bit not so comfortable, or it may feel a little bit distracting, but that's okay. Be with it for a few days, you will see the power of it shortly. Okay? It enables your brain to become very selective and eventually only learn to pick selective things from books as you grow into your reading journey. Fine. Now, I promised you yesterday I will tell you a very powerful technique today. I will tell you that technique now. Before that, let me quickly tell you what you are going to do with the book. You are going to first review the mind map that you made yesterday. So, for this book, every day before you continue, you will review the mind map from the previous day, then start reading the book. Again on each page you will underline 2 words and you will update the mind map as you read it or immediately after you are done with today's reading. But do not wait for the end of the book to update the mind map, that is very important. Okay? Now, let us look at this wonderful technique that will probably increase your speed by a lot. Okay? So, if I tell you the human brain is a relativistic device, okay? You see an aeroplane flying in the air and you see a car driving on the road. Which one do you think will seem to be faster? The car will seem to be faster, but in reality the aeroplane is much faster, right? However, because the brain is relativistic, the brain always does things in terms of comparisons. Now, let me ask you this. If I take you to a highway in a car, okay, you are driving the car and you are driving at an awesome speed, you are driving at, let us say, 100 kilometers per hour, fine, I am sitting beside you. You are driving at 100 kilometers per hour, you are having a thrill ride, and here is what I do. I cover your speedometer. So, I put my hand on the speedometer, so you cannot see what the speed is, and I ask you to bring your car down to 20 kilometers per hour, just 20 kilometers per hour. What do you think will happen? You cannot see the speed, which means just by your judgment you have to come down to 20. Here is what will happen. By the time you reach 50 or 40 kilometers per hour, you will think you are already at 20. I repeat, by the time you come down to 50 or 40 kilometers per hour, you will think that you are already at 20, because that speed of 100 will change the perception of speed of 20 in your mind. That is how the brain works. When you see something very fast, you get excited. When you see something even more faster, now this previous fast does not excite you anymore, right? Now, we are going to use that trick, that technique on the brain in our reading. So, here is how you are going to trick your brain. You are going to read at the speeds which even you would think is like illogical, right, insane. So, here is what you are going to do. So, once this video is over, you will directly continue reading, okay. So, make sure that you have your book and everything handy, you are not just watching this video while you are moving somewhere, fine. So, I am going to start the process and I am going to straight away ask you to continue and stop the video there, and that is when you will continue reading, okay. So, here is what you are going to do. You are going to take the book, you are going to start reading phrase by phrase, fine. You want to mark where you are going to start today. So, wherever you stopped yesterday, put a mark, because you will go forward, come back and then read it, fine. Make this point clear. So, here is what you are going to do. I will say double. Every time I say double, you will double your speed. So, if you are picking phrase by phrase, when I say double, you will pick maybe one line. I will say double again. Now, you will pick 2 lines. Then I will say double again, you will pick 4 lines. Then I will say double again, you will pick 8 lines, maybe quarter of a page. Then I will say double again, you will pick half a page. Then I will say double again, you will pick one page, turn, one page, turn. That is how fast you will move your eyes. Then I will say double again, now you will pick both the pages, turn. Just look at them. I am not asking you to read, just look. Just look and turn. Every time I say double, you will literally double your speed. At some point, you will be only flipping pages very fast. That is okay. As I do this, at a certain point, I will say normal. Okay? At a certain point, I will say normal. What do you think your normal will be after you have been going so fast? Your normal won't be your old reading speed. Your normal won't be your yesterday's speed reading speed either. Your normal will be much faster than what you read yesterday or in the previous book, because you just trained your brain to go so fast, and that's how we can trick our brain to go to the next level. Fine. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start the process, and when I say normal, I'm going to exit the video and you will continue your reading. So as I say double, you will move very fast. Every time I say double, you will double the size of the chunk, and when I say normal, you will come back to the marker and start reading. Fine. When I say normal, you will come back to the marker and start reading, pick up phrases, move your eyes fast, underline 2 words, everything else remains the same. But you will realize automatically your new normal is much faster than what it used to be till yesterday. Ready for it? Here we go, to the point on the book where you will start reading, and here we go. Start reading phrase by phrase. Move your eyes fast over phrases. Double. Now maybe one line at a time. Double. 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 Normal.